tickets. Call 1-800-DIRECTV and find out how to get the 2019 season at no extra cost when you switch to DirecTV. Don't just kinda TV, DirecTV. Out-of-market games only. Select international games excluded. Auto renews each season at the prevailing rate unless canceled. Restrictions apply.
Grab a glass of bubbly, prepare to be swept off your feet.
Is this
The
okay
Isle
if I
of
drop you
Omaha's
off here?
premier bridal salon.
I think you gotta
Fashion
drop me
Showcase
off
is an
at the
extraordinary
entry.
red carpet experience
Okay,
combining
is that
fashion and
over here?
elegance in an afternoon
Over
of
there,
inspiration.
I believe it
Find your
is.
wedding style and then
well,
meet
to
with a
the-
curated
look,
selection of
to the
wedding
left.
professionals to help plan your special day. Tickets are on sale now for the August 18th event at the Omaha Design Center. Visit aisleshowomaha.com for tickets and information. That's aisleshowomaha.com.
This back-to-school season, Edwards Nissan is putting money back in your pocket and the pockets of teachers across the metro. For every vehicle sold during the Teachers Aid event, Edwards will make a donation to help local teachers cover classroom expenses they normally
right
would
here.
pay for themselves. In honor of this event, Edwards is
here?
offering additional discounts on all the
believe
Nissan
so it
models
is.
you crave. That big selection, bigger discounts, and more for your money, starting with our 60-minute promise. We'll make you the deal you want in under 60 minutes, or your first payment is on us. We'll even finance your tax, title, and license costs when other dealers won't. It's that level of service that recently made us #1 in the nation for customer satisfaction. So help yourself to a great ride and help make a difference in a classroom near you. Protection, peace of mind. It's raised across the bridge. Call 1-800-NEW-NISSAN today or come see us in Council Bluffs off the I-80 South Expressway exit or online at edwardsnissan.com. With approved credit, see dealer for details. Offer ends 8/31/19.
Hi, my daughter here bet me that we could get an iPhone for $49.99.
Actually, I said when we switched to Metro, a new iPhone 7 is just $49.99 after ID validation.
She's right.
Thank you.
And hey, by the way, we're hiring.
Only at Metro. Requires port-in of eligible number not currently active on T-Mobile network or active on Metro in past 90 days and validation of name, address, and date of birth in independent database with matching ID. Limit 2 per account or household. See store for details and terms and conditions.
When one thinks of the deli, the sunny shores of Waikiki don't typically come to mind. But Boar's Head is anything but typical. Introducing our new bold Aloha Sunshine Truffle.
Yes, right here.
Savory and every second. Try it. Coated in a savory pineapple
All right,
flavored
thank you.
It's a taste of